Number 1. USA, Boeing VC-25, Air Force One. The special features of this aircraft are that it is a double-decker, has medical refueling system and a security system repulses against attacks. The length of the Air Force One is 70 meters with a maximum speed of 1,000 kilometers per hour. Number 2. The Russian Federation, Ilyushin Il-96-300 Pu. It came at a cost of around $500 million when factoring in the plush interiors and high-tech security. The weight of the aircraft is around 270 tons, the service ceiling is 12,000 meters and the wingspan stretches 65 meters. Number 3. People's Republic of China Boeing 747-400. The government is leasing the aircraft from Air China, 0753, so there is a possibility to get a seat where the president has sat. The special feature of this Boeing is that it is highly secretive and has flexible interiors. Number 4. The Federal Republic of Germany, Airbus 340-313X VIP. Carrying nearly 150 passengers and costing an amount of $300 million, the Airbus A340-313X VIP is an impressive. It has added fuel tanks that allow it to fly for 13,500 kilometers without stopping. Number 5. France, Airbus 330-200. This Airbus has a private suite complete with shower and other necessities. The president can get down to business at any point with internet access that reaches over 10,000 meters above the ground. The cost of this aircraft is $270 million.